Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So today's video is a slight unboxing and I'm really excited because I have been using these products earlier. They were clean products and they were pretty good, and you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know, you can check my video of the curly hair routine where I used the Saint Botanica shampoo and conditioner. This brand has come out with a new shampoo and conditioner line. They have like variants, and I placed my hands on these particular products which I have got today, and the packaging is quite interesting. I ordered them from Amazon. You can also find that from their site. The reason why I went for this particular variant is because I will be doing something drastic to my hair very soon. I'm not going to tell you all what, but I think some people who know what I'm going to show you, you might guess what I might be doing. So this is the packaging, and the packaging is bomb. Can you see? It says Saint Botanica Go Range shampoo and conditioner, and the box itself says no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, so all that kind of good stuff. And I opened one side. There is like a sticker over here. This is not sponsored. This is something I came across very recently. My cat is in the room. This is what I came across very recently because of the drastic thing that I'm about to do to my hair, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is the purple shampoo and conditioner, and they have a note right over here: color, textured, straight, curly, dehydrated or thin hair, specific formula for unique hair type. So there are other, if you have thinning hair, if you have some problem related, they have solution for each kind of problem. But this one is the purple shampoo. Okay, this is the purple shampoo and conditioner. So I'm really excited to use this because there are a bunch of ingredients over here, but there are quite a lot of good stuff. There is no silicone. There is coconut, hydrolyzed oat protein, linseed oil, green tea seed oil, sodium chloride, methylistone something. I will literally link the links to these on the description box below. You can check what ingredients it has. But I have used Saint Botanica earlier and it didn't disappoint me, and I think this should do good also. The reviews on Amazon are really amazing. It's like 4.5 to 5-star rating. So I thought, why not? If this has such good ratings, I should go for it. And it's not that expensive. If you go for high-end brands that are specifically designed for color treated or chemically treated hairs, they are pretty expensive. This is not expensive at all. I don't think. Comparatively it's somewhat cheaper. 300 for the shampoo, around 350 for shampoo and conditioner. But the box is bomb. I really like the box, and I'm going to keep the box for some sort of a storage or something. And this is just an unboxing of the Saint Botanica Go Range variant shampoo conditioner. There's nothing much to speak about these things because I haven't used them. And once I show you what I'm about to do to my hair, I will not straighten it. The last thing I want to do is related to coloring, and I will make a video on it. But this is what I wanted to show because I was really excited to receive this box. That is all for this video, and do visit my channel and check my other videos, and like, subscribe to my channel. Your support would mean a lot. Until then, bye.